All right, so this video I'm going to show you how to do some dimensioning with Revit. When you're on a level 1 floor plan, come to the Annotate tab and you'll see where it says Aligned over here. When you align, when you're in the Align Dimensioning tab, you click and notice it automatically goes to the center of the walls. That is a standard dimensioning style. That's how it's done with floor plans. It's always to the center of the wall. So I click on the two centers and I pull up and I make this 28 feet because that's what the dimension is. Now, in here, let me cancel out. When I click on this, I can lock this dimension. So no matter how hard I try, I can't make that wall any bigger or smaller. It's going to keep that locked in at 28 feet. When you design your house or your shed, it's probably a good idea to dimension the outer walls and lock them in so you don't accidentally change them somehow along the line. When you are doing the final dimensioning to put on your sheet to turn in, I recommend that you come over here, right click, and make a duplicate view. And you're going to duplicate it, and we're going to call this new one the dimension view. So we're going to go here to rename, and we're going to call this dimension view. So that when I start adding all my dimensions on here, if I want to go back to my level 1, it's not going to get all busy and I can see what I'm doing. So in my dimension view, I'm going to start dimensioning things. Now, again, make sure you get the walls, top, bottom, so you get the outer dimensions of your building. Notice I'm pulling these to the outside. So those of you who have taken Intro to Engineering, you still have to follow all of the dimensioning rules. All right, and windows, we have to dimension, put where we're going to put our windows, right? If you're going to build this shed or the house, you have to know where things are supposed to be. Notice doors and windows are also dimensioned to the centers. So on the bottom, I have a door and a window. I can either use chain dimensioning, like we learned, or datum dimensioning. So I'm going to actually use datum for this. And then, of course, this door here. Oh, wrong one. Okay, so now that I have all of my dimensions on, I can come here to my sheets and review, because this is a new one. I have to load my 11 by 17 sheet. So I come over here, go down to title blocks, 11 by 17 horizontal, say okay. And now I'm going to pull my dimension view onto my sheet. And there it is.